Tobacco has caused millions of deaths, particularly premature deaths. Tobacco smoking has become a major public health problem. It's very important to understand the science behind smoking. But just to be precise, according to World Health Organization, smoking contains thousands of chemicals such as ammonia, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, nicotine, among others. And there are over 40 cancer-causing agents which are called carcinogens. What happens is when you smoke, it enters your lungs, heart, brain, and many other body parts, causing damages to your organs. First, smoking causes over 15 types of cancers. According to some studies, smokers were 20 times more likely to develop lung cancers as compared to non-smokers. Smoking is linked to various types of cancers, such as throat cancer, blood cell cancer, pancreas, bladder, among many other body parts. Second, smoking causes breathing problems and chronic respiratory conditions. It is called chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, and they are of two types. Firstly, it is called emphysema, and the other condition is chronic bronchitis. When it comes to emphysema, it has to do with damage of alveolar sacs in the lungs. And chronic bronchitis has to do with the damage of lungs as a result of oversecretion of mucus due to exposure to smoking. Asthma also gets worsened with active smoking. Smoking is also linked to developing of asthma in individuals who smoke. Third, smoking causes heart diseases, shock, and blood circulation problems. Smoking leads to blood clot. As a result, it affects blood supply to body parts, including hearts, lungs, and limbs. Therefore, some smokers have their limbs amputated as a result of this complication. According to some studies, smokers were twice likely to have heart attacks as compared to non-smokers. Fourth, smoking is linked to diabetes, particularly type 2 diabetes. What happens in normal situation is the beta cells of pancreas produce a hormone called insulin. And this hormone is responsible for transportation of glucose from the bloodstream into the cells. But what happens in the presence of nicotine is it affects this whole process, rendering ineffective. And therefore, there is an excess amount of glucose in the bloodstream, leading to type 2 diabetes. Fifth, smoking has a clear link with infertility problems. Women who smoke are more likely to be infertile and their conceptions get delayed. In men, the sperm count gets diminished and affects their fertility. Maternal smoking is also linked to various complications such as miscarriages, premature births, low birth weight, among many other complications. This brings to the end of my talk on 5 health adverse effects of smoking on human health. For more, please subscribe my channel.